achievements.
Our history is full of changes. We all are a witness to drastic and dynamic changes in our education system from Vedic age till date.
And when we talk about changes, 2020 is the year that has made its mark in the history.
Yes, and these changes are now the new norm.
And the world has proved whatever change it may be. We stand strong, and with the same zeal, we present you all our felicitation program.
Today is the day to celebrate success.
On this auspicious occasion, we feel proud to take the opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rashmi Singh, Director, Women and Child Development and Social Welfare Department, with Government of NCT of Delhi.
साथ ही पूरे हर्ष के साथ हम इस समारोह के सभी दर्शकों का स्वागत करते हैं।
Night is a symbol of brightness and prosperity, so we start the program by lighting of lamp. And may I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to lighten the ceremonial lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म
Principal Ma'am. Now I take up the opportunity to invite our Principal Ma'am on the stage and address our viewers of this program.
Good morning. The day dawns and it takes us to script history as we celebrate Unnayan 2020 with the tagline, Climb Against All Odds. The annual felicitation ceremony of VVPs, where talent, hard work, endurance, creativity and persistence is recognized and the work of our students is acknowledged, not only in the field of academics but also in other co-curricular areas. On this special occasion, I feel honored to welcome a personality for whom I would like to say, confident stature with a warm and friendly smile, an aura that radiates a mind, forming a spectrum of hard work. She lights the candle of hope, removing the evil and dark and helping all to conquer the globe. I fall short of words to portray this dynamic personality and am overjoyed to introduce Dr. Rashmi Singh, IAS Director, Department of Women and Child Development and Department of Social Welfare, NCT, Delhi, to you all. As the head of the family, I am extremely delighted to welcome Dr. Singh as the chief guest of this occasion. Ma'am is an idol of knowledge who has given her valuable contributions in the field of WCB and DSW, Government of NCT Delhi, and has specifically targeted to keep a watch on bullies to stop child abuse. The presence of this down-to-earth personality with ocean of experience behind this smiling face has made this event a remarkable one. Welcome you, ma'am. I also welcome all of you, dear parents and viewers, who have time and again proved to be our strength. The change scenario is not a news anymore for anybody. Education industry is one of the strongly hit and has struggled the most for its survival. In this, we all are a witness to the fact that the education system has effectively, in spite of all these adversities, stood up to the needs of the students. Most importantly, the contributions of our students and parents during this change have been our biggest strength. And so, VVPS has always tried to do its bit for the students, and this one is such a step. My dear students, there are some who dare to participate, few who prepare, and fewer who succeed. In this whole filtration process, the world generally remembers the fewer ones. However, as I stand here and witness, I believe that these fewer ones would not be proud of themselves without counting the contributions of the some who had the courage to participate. And this is what Unnayan aims at, to honor the efforts to stand out and participate. And as I always say, my dear students, that participation is more important. So please do participate in all the activities conducted by the school. Dear children, as your principal, my appeal to you all is to learn from the current change scenario of the world. While embracing success, don't forget that the challenges that you face are its roots. My dear students, I'm proud of your achievements and congratulate you all on your success. May you all grow up to the expectations of your parents, teachers, and most importantly, your own. So God bless you, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself and people around you.
Namaskar. We are indeed living in very challenging situations when schools are struggling to keep up with the new normal. The expectation of realizing the best outcomes in a virtual mode because of the kind of challenges thrown by COVID. Yet it's nice to see that the Vidya Vikas Public School situated at Ranchi is doing a pioneering work, organizing Unnayan, an event to motivate, award its achievers, who have excelled in the various fields. I do believe that the attitude to achieve, to win, to lead, to create an impact is important. And the more such attitude is inculcated in the child from the beginning of his or her life, the better they do in the future to excel in whatever fields they are. Indeed, the world is competitive, and every child has the potential to realize his or her optimum capacity, provided that creativity inherent in them is channelized. उनको अवसर मिलना चाहिए, उन्नयन का अवसर मिलना चाहिए, और इस उन्नयन के माध्यम से इस स्कूल को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहूँगी। डॉक्टर मनीषा तिवारी जो प्रिंसिपल हैं उनको कि आपने अवसर दिया सभी बच्चों को ताकि वो सपने देखें और उसको पूरा भी कर सकें। Indeed, there are miles to go, but every small step makes a difference, and the sky is the limit. मैं ये भी मानती हूँ कि कोई भी एप्रिसिएशन है, एक्नॉलेजमेंट है बच्चे के लिए ज़रूरी है, और आपने इसी तरह का जो एप्रिसिएशन का कार्यक्रम यहाँ पर किया है तो वह कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित करने में एक अहम पहल रखेगा, यह मेरा पूरा विश्वास है। And every child, every parent, every teacher, they have to applaud themselves for every achievement that the child makes in the environment which the school is able to give, the build, whether in the school or through the parent-teachers continuum, in the so-called virtual mode of education, जहाँ पे आज भी डायलॉग हो रहा है, डिस्कशन हो रहा है, बातचीत हो रही है, लर्निंग हो रही है, क्रिएटिविटी हो रही है, स्टाइल अलग है, बदला हुआ है क्योंकि दुनिया थोड़ी सी बदली है, लेकिन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड इनोवेशन यही तो हमारी पहचान है। ह्यूमन बींग्स अडाप्ट करते हैं, और अडाप्ट करते हैं जितने अच्छे से उतना ही वो अच्छा कर पाते हैं। सो लेट्स गिव एन अप्लॉज टू all the achievers today, to all the parents who have stood behind their children to make them realize their dreams, to all the teachers who have stood behind their students. So I wish all the best to each and every student who is being awarded, and those who probably did not get an award and yet they put in hard work, and I'm sure that next time they'll do even better. So I do have full confidence in the ability of each one of you to make a difference, a positive difference in the lives of many others who may not be as privileged as you and me. Thank you and all the best. Keep it up.
युवा मन को प्रेरित करने का मौका हमेशा ही एक सम्मानजनक पल होता है। आज के बच्चे देश के आने वाली कल का भविष्य है।
The pillars of any student's academic career are their board's exam result.
हमारी 10वीं और 12वीं के प्रतिभाशील विद्यार्थी जिन्हें आज उनकी उपलब्धियों के लिए पुरस्कृत किया जा रहा है, वे अपने विद्यालय एवं देश की मान बढ़ाने के लिए अग्रसर हैं।
We are now felicitating the toppers of 10th and 12th.
To start with, we have the Best Outgoing Student Award being presented to Rohit Kumar of Class 12 Science. In Class 12, the toppers from Science stream are: the third position goes to Mohammad Asadullah Anwar, the second position holder is Priyanshu Prakash, the first position goes to Rohit Kumar. And from the Commerce stream, the third position goes to Tanuja Kumari, the second position holder is Tripti Shikha, and Abhishek Chandravanshi is the Commerce topper. The AISSE Class 10th toppers are Rahul Ram, third position, second position Rishabh Ranjan, and the topper is Ritansh.
To cut continue the celebration mood, we next have a solo dance performance by Tanupriya Singh of Standard Hill, seeking the blessings of Lord Almighty.
सन्ततमहं कुञ्जरमुखं शङ्करसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सन्ततमहं दन्ति सुन्दरमुखं मन्तकातकसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं 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 भजे तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि विष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
ॐ शङ्कर्ये नमः ॐ श्रीकर्ये नमः ॐ सात्वै नमः ॐ सातोदर्ये नमः
कोई उम्र नहीं होती। हमारे नन्हे विद्यार्थी भी इस दौर में किसी से कम नहीं।
It is now the time to acknowledge the talents of those young ones who have just been introduced to the world of competition. So we present you the achievers of pre-nursery to 5 group.
From pre-nursery group are Ritika Tiwari, Aradhya Ishani Jha. From nursery section A, Surbhi Topo, Keshav and Ashi Tiwari. From section B, Gaurang Sinha, Omdeep Oraon, Vidisha Linda. From prep section A, Rudra Tiwari, Rishu Ranjan and Kavika Raj. From section B, Arohi Khan, Manish Kumar and Shivangi Shahdev. The scholars from class 1 section A are Shamli Singh, Astha Kumari, Bhumi Singh. And from section B, Sanvi Singh, Rishika Kumari and Shubham Kumar. The class topper is Shamli Singh. From class 2 the scholars are section A, Swarna Kumari, Nibras Kamil Ansari, Varsha Rani Lakra. And from section B, Muskan Raj, Navya Kumari and Priyanka Kumari. The class topper is Muskan Raj. The academic scholars of class 3 are Lucky Umang, Priyanshi Kumari and Archit Singh, where Lucky Umang is the class topper. From class 4, section A, the scholars are Astha Singh, Neetu Kumari and Nilesh Oraon. From section B, Prince Jha, Pari Kumari and Smriti Kumari, with the top position holder Astha Singh from class 4. From class 5, section A, the scholars are Ritika Kumari, Soumya Rani, Shreya Kumari, and from section B, Prajwal, Naitik Kumar Verma and Khushi Tiwari, with Prajwal being the class topper.
पिछले एक वर्ष बीत गया। पूरे विश्व को कोरोना नामक महामारी से जूझते हुए।
Many lessons were learned and we are still struggling to cope up with the changed times.
हमें इस बदले हुए समय के साथ सफलता से जीना है और ये तभी संभव है जब हम में जरूरी बदलाव आए।
The next mic presentation is going to demonstrate the same need.
Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Now, it is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. students of VVPS are enlightening the path of understanding through this presentation. Look at what these lifestyle changes mean to us.
Motivation determines what we do, and attitude determines how well we do it.
Let's now award the right attitude of the achievers of class 6 to 9 and 11 as they stand out because of their performance.
From class 6, section A, Sania Kumari, Irfat Parveen and Astha Oraon. From class 6B, Ishika Tripathi, Karan Kumar and Shruti Raj, and the class topper is Sania Kumari. From 7, section A, Anshu Kumari, Shrishti Kumari and Hitesh Raj Sahu. Section B, Kanak Kumari, Vikas Kumar Baitha and Ankit Kumar Sahu, class topper being Anshu Kumari. Class 8, Kiran Gupta, Sakshi Kumari and Priyanshu Ranjan from section A. And from section B, Priyanshu Gupta, Anjani Kumari and Aman Mehto. The class topper of class 8 is Kiran Gupta. The proud toppers of class 9 are Amay Agrawal, Anushka Tripathi and Swayam Agrawal from section A. From 9B, Shreyansh Kumar, Pavan Kumar and Aditya Kumar, the class topper being Amay Agrawal. From class 11, science stream, the scholars are Aman Kumar, Nidhi Kumari and Vaibhav Agrawal. From commerce, Riya Shri, Chetna Kumari and Swati Kumari. Class 11 topper is Aman Kumar. It is with your feet that you move, but it is with your heart that you dance. ऐसी ही एक हृदय स्पर्शी प्रस्तुति लेकर आ रही हैं VVPS की छात्राएं।
specially designed co-curricular activities which effectively serve the purpose of holistic growth by focusing on students' physical, emotional, social, spiritual, and mental health.
We now have the winners from this.
The various co-curricular competition winners as per the competitions for various activities are from pre-nursery to prep, Vishwajit Kumar, Gaurang Sinha, Arav Shrivastava. From class 1 and 2, Aradhya Singh, Trisha and Arush Kumar. From classes 3 to 5, Pari Gupta, Roshni Kumari and Palak Gupta. From classes 6 to 8, Kashish Kujur, Anshu Kumari, Sanjana Kumari, and from classes 9 and 10, Nikita Kumari, Arishka Khan, and Anjani Kumari for their active participation in Earth Day celebrations. In Van Mahotsav celebrations from class 1 and 2, the winners are Mayank Kumar, Harsh Kumar, and Shivang Shahdev. From classes 3 to 5, Apurva Sharma, Pari Kumari, and Prince Jha. In various competitions designed to celebrate Raksha Bandhan, the winners from various classes are from classes 1 and 2, Ananya Anand, Trisha Kumari, Anvita Chaudhary, and from classes 3 and 4, Tejas Manuraj, Ronak Tiwari, and Roshni Kumari. From class 5, we have the winners as Alka Rani, Akashi Kumari, Nidhi Rani Lakra. Various competitions like solo singing, speech, poem recitation, role modeling were organized to observe Gandhi Jayanti celebration. Under this category, the winners are Supriya Kumari class 9, Ambika Singh class 9 and Aditi Raj class 9 for solo singing, Kanak Neha class 7, Ritika Kumari class 6, Soumya Rani class 6 for poem and speech, Devansh Chaudhary class 7, Riyashri class 12, Shreya Kumari from class 6 for poster making competitions, poem recitation and speech, Anmol Kumar nursery, Devesh Kumar nursery, Anush Tiwari class nursery, Atulya Jaiswal nursery, Ananya Kumari nursery, Avni Ranjan nursery, Rachit Bhardwaj nursery, Ruhi Kumari nursery, Shriya Khes from class prep, Acharya Munda class prep, Gaurang Sinha from class prep, Omdeep class prep, Shauransh Raj from class prep for fancy dress competitions and role modeling. Amongst the talented students of VVPS, we have such evolving talents who have achieved remarkable feats in various fields and have appeared for inter-school competitions and brought laurels for VVPS. We are going to award these students for their achievements. To start with, we have Arnav Shri of class 9, who has participated and won in Youth Games 2019 and Cyclothon 2020 in national cycling competitions. We also have Anuj Kumar, who has shown his creative work in various inter-school competitions in the category of painting and drawing. We have Komal Orao for athletics section and Nikita Kumari for Gita chanting competitions. Amay Agrawal and Pranav Jha of class 9 who have got the first prize in Vivekotsav Quiz Competition 2020. Anushka Tripathi and Tanupriya Singh of class 9 who have won prizes in the speech competition.
Effort to encourage our winners in different fields, considering their hard work and zeal to win. And now, this event has come to its conclusion. But before we conclude, I would like to request Ritansh to propose vote of thanks.
A warm and graceful morning to all. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who work really hard to make this celebration happen. On behalf of our school, I extend a really hearty thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Rashmi Singh, who spared time from her busy schedule to grace the occasion. Ma'am, today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. A special mention to our principal ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing as pillar of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our teachers for their untiring efforts. Our sincere gratitude goes to all parents and well-wishers for their rock-solid effort and encouragement. Without their support, children would not have been able to achieve excellence. Thank you so much for attending the event. Finally, I would like to thank our budding rock stars for their impressive performances. Your days of hard work were evident in your act. Last but not the least, I would like to thank each one of you who made this online annual felicitation celebration a memorable day for all of us, even in the current challenging situation. Thank you. An event like this requires effective planning and continuous rigor. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a very proactive and dedicated team. I am short of words for their active involvement and willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones.